Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August 15th, 2026. I hope everybody had a great Saturday out so far, but it's a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we'll be taking a look at the storm system move across the country in the lower 48, also the tropics. Also, take a look at your local forecast for your Sunday and Monday, the National Weather Service current watch warning advisory map. Also, take a look at the severe weather for day 2, 3, and 4, and also take a look at the rainfall totals as well toward the end of the video. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see here in the tropics, you can see we got a lot of activity in the eastern Pacific, stretching from South America, Central America, all the way back toward the Hawaiian chain island. Got a hurricane and a tropical cyclone going to affect the Hawaiian chain island. Got a little swirl moving towards the California coast. Got more atmospheric moisture moving into the Baja region of California. More activity across Mexico. Also in the Gulf, Yucatan Peninsula, Central America, South America. Here's that little Invest 92L, which we were tracking, kind of weakening some, but you can see it continue to move on off towards the west. You can see this is 94L. Had just about dissipated completely, so the tropics, the National Hurricane Center, is not issuing any advisory at this time in the tropics. Our cold front boundary spreading from the north central tropical Atlantic all the way down into the Carolina. Got an area of low pressure kind of forming over South Carolina, North Carolina as well, bringing some shower and thunderstorm activity, stretching back into Mississippi and Alabama down toward Florida. More activity over here from Ohio to Indiana, all the way over towards Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. More activity from New Mexico, Texas, all the way towards Washington, Montana region as well. So, okay, let's continue to take a look at your local forecast now. Start off with your Sunday forecast, and it should roll out something like this here across the board. Alright, there's heavy rain flash flooding over here in Colorado, New Mexico, of course, Oklahoma, and Texas. Then again from Ohio to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, D.C., West Virginia, and Virginia. Then we got thunderstorms and showers around Nevada, right along the Canadian-U.S. border from Washington to North Dakota, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Michigan to Wisconsin, over towards areas of Maine, New Brunswick, all the way down to the Carolina, Florida Keys, back to Mississippi and Louisiana. A little bit along New Mexico, Texas, and Mexico border, stretching into Arizona, a little bit of Arizona as well, and Utah. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast there for your Sunday. Alright, let's continue to roll forward. Take a look at your Monday forecast now. It should roll out something like this here across the board. You can see we got high pressure system, low pressure system, cold front troughs across the forecast areas. Alright, here is a look at your Monday forecast, and it should roll out something like this here across the board. I got some severe weather from South Dakota, stretching into areas of Nebraska, and we'll let the weather features fill in from there. I've got thunderstorm showers, a little bit of Washington, Oregon, and along the Canadian-U.S. border from Idaho to Lake Superior, Michigan, to Iowa, to Nebraska, to Wyoming, to southern Idaho, then Colorado down to the Mexico-United States border, from Arizona to New Mexico to Texas, then stretching from Kansas to Oklahoma to Arkansas to Mississippi to Alabama, to northern Florida, to northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, North Carolina to Maine, straight to your state, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's take a look at your current watch and warning advisory map currently across the nation. It should roll out something like this here across the board. Okay, we've got excessive heat warnings in burgundy color, and also heat advisory stretching from North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Alabama to Tennessee to Kentucky to southern Indiana, Illinois to Missouri to Arkansas, Louisiana to Texas to areas of Oklahoma, and also into areas of Kansas, over here in Southern California to Arizona. Severe thunderstorm watches and warnings, and flood watches, flash flood warnings in effect for portions of Nebraska to Colorado to Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, western Nebraska, and southeastern Wyoming. More flood watches and warnings stretching from areas of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio to Indiana, Illinois, and then over here in portions of Idaho, and hydro issues there as well. Air quality alerts and red flag warning from Washington, Oregon, and Idaho region as well. Alrighty, we've got small advisories up here from areas of Maine, stretching down to eastern Virginia, and then southern California to Oregon. We've got around the Hawaiian chain, we've got hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings, flash flood warnings to the south, Alaska regions to the southern areas, smoke crack advisory, western areas, heat advisories. Okay, now let's take a look at Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 2. We have a slight risk from Cheyenne to Denver to Pueblo to Louisville, Columbus, Roanoke, Charleston to Richmond, Virginia, Raleigh to Baltimore, Springfield to Amarillo to Rapid City, marginal risk, thunderstorm elsewhere, tornado probability 2% up here around Pittsburgh, Charleston, Roanoke, Richmond, Wilmington, Delaware. Alright, damaging winds 5% from South Dakota toward Texas, Missouri to eastern North Carolina to Maryland, 15% from portions of Louisville, Kentucky to Richmond, Virginia. Damaging wind, large hail, 15 around Cheyenne, Denver, Pueblo, 5% elsewhere, and portions of South Dakota down to New Mexico. Alright, here to look at day number 3. And we've got a marginal risk around Chattanooga, Atlanta to Charlotte to Raleigh, and then again from Colby, McCook up to Pierre, Aberdeen, Sioux Falls, Rapid City, Valentine. You're under slight risk, general thunderstorm elsewhere. Probability looks like this, 5 to 15%. Alright, day number 4, excuse me, rolls out like this, 15% around Valentine, Norfolk, Omaha, Lincoln, Devons, stretching in the southwestern area of Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, and northern portion of Kansas. This is day number 4. Alright, rainfall total, heavy precipitation across the portion of northern Gulf, Florida into Georgia, the Carolinas, all the way to Maine, off the coastal waters, southeast Canada, stretching through Iowa, back into portion of Kansas, Nebraska, to Colorado, to New Mexico, and also into the state of Mexico as well. Elsewhere, just generally maybe nothing to maybe 1/4 of an inch expected elsewhere. In the blues and reds, expect from 3/4 to maybe as much as 4 inches of rain in some spots. So, alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll get you back in the next one. Have a wonderful, Saturday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.